So we are here in Shenandoah, Harrisonburg, KOA, right outside of Shenandoah National Park in Virginia. And today we're gonna go do the national park. So we're gonna go in and check it out, do a hike or so, and yeah, it should be cool. This is a really cool KOA. If you're ever in the area, it's off the beaten path quite a bit and you don't feel like you're going to an RV park, but it's beautiful once you get here. All right, you ready to roll?
Yeah. Have you seen my sunglasses?
I think they're in the truck.
Okay.
I think. All right, sis, so we're gonna go eat some Mexican food.
Daddy, my chin hurts.
It does. All right. It's called Jalisco. I don't know. It's right next to where we're staying. It's pretty good ratings. And then we've got, it's about an hour drive into the park and to the visitor center first, and then we'll go do a hike and hang out in the park for the day.
Is he washable?
He is always the slowest to
yeah.
get out of the car.
Always. Yeah.
They have lots of sombreros.
Add an extra cheese.
Yum, sis, this is good, huh? Oh, a great little Mexican joint right here in this town. Yummy, yummy. Let's get our grub on. Arlo is so tired. He woke up at 5 a.m. this morning and has not been back to sleep since. So he is currently watching cartoons and laying down while we eat. We just entered Shenandoah National Park,
yep.
And we were due for our annual pass for the national parks. We had gotten it before, but we had just hit our year not too long ago, so we went ahead and renewed that, and it was
It's $80 for all national parks, or it's $55 for just one park. So it makes no sense. You might as well just buy unless you're, I guess, in the area.
Yeah, I guess if you're only,
yeah.
If you only know you're gonna visit one, but yeah, so it makes more sense to go ahead and do the 80. You ready to get out?
Yeah!
Where are we going in?
The record center.
The record center?
Yes.
The visitor center.
No, it's record center.
All right, we are here at which visitor center was this?
This is the...
Austin will tell us what it's called, but so far we just pulled in and they have it looks like a little place to get some food, a place to get gas.
They have a place.
It's the Harry F. Bird Sr.
They have a place to get something.
That's what it is.
Harry Bird F. Senior.
Harry F. Bird Sr. Visitor Center.
Visitor Center. Okay.
Whoever that is, I bet we'll find out here in a minute.
You're fine with what?
I'm fine with.
You feel comfortable?
The shorts.
Okay.
And all of us have short ones.
Okay.
bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.
Okay, so we're in the middle of, what's this called?
This is called Dark Hollow Falls.
Dark Hollow Falls.
Trail. It's really not far from the visitor center that we were just at. And it's only about 1.6 miles.
Total.
Down and back, yeah, total.
So should be cool. So the kids are bound to hurt themselves because they can't seem to walk right. But this is hiking with kids.
Take a step back to see
Well, it looks
the
like
truth
that one is too.
around you.
That one is too.
From a distance you can tell. You and me
Alright, there it is.
meant to be.
So we made it to the falls behind us, and as I was walking down, I slipped, and our good camera that we use for everything hit the front of it. I'm hoping I can fix it, but I don't know. But it's a $1,000 camera, so that kind of sucks. But we had the GoPro too, so now we're on the GoPro. Beautiful. It's just beautiful. The mountains are pretty too.
It's so, oh.
We just finished our hike, driving out of Shenandoah.
It was gorgeous. It was a little populated, so it kind of sucks because you couldn't get really a great picture of the waterfall without people in it.
Yeah.
But, you know, that's what happens when you come to these national parks, and, you know, everyone's trying to enjoy all the beauty, so.
Yeah.
But it was gorgeous.
The only negative thing is we broke the front of the camera, I think. And
Austin fell twice.
I fell again, actually.
Arlo fell twice.
And Arlo fell twice. But hopefully we can fix that camera. But everything else is awesome. I mean, just look at the views behind me.
So after we do a hike, we're just so proud of ourselves that we like to treat ourselves to either usually ice cream or a brewery. Today the kids overruled and we chose what?
Ice cream.
We're going to homemade Tots ice cream. We are getting the mountain. It is $20 of ice cream.
Okay. That's a grapefruit.
Yeah. Okay, now what?
Any toppings. Just tell me what you don't want, and I'll get everything else.
Okay. We just got what?
20 pounds of ice cream.
Look, Daddy's bringing it over.
Oh my. Are you ready?
Here it comes.
Look at that. Holy cow, guys.
Sis, what do you rate it? It's
Reese's.
chocolate. It's Reese's. What do you rate it?
300.
300%?
So she rates the hike 1.
What do you rate it, babe?
I'll let you know soon. Yeah, so we are at the park this morning. There's a little fishing pond. Nothing in it, maybe. I mean, we've seen probably 10 people come and go, and no luck. So
Oh, that one wasn't your.
we are really just practicing our throwing and reeling in. So they're getting good though. Arlo's really good at it. Oh, good job. You gonna catch anything this morning? Hey, you gonna catch anything? No? You're doing a good job.
Show us your swing, sis.
Remember, hold it down.
Yep.
Nice. Good throw.
Yes, girl.
We're doing some activities here at the park today, and we've got some rain coming. But we're just chilling.
We're just hanging out.
We decided just to chill out for the day. We've been on the move for a little bit,
And
so
we're gonna get more than that.
yeah. And so in about 30 minutes, there's an ice cream social for the kids. And then what? And then s'mores for the kids. So
We get both candy.
yeah, so we're just chilling out today. And then tomorrow we leave to head out to
I get
Pennsylvania, where we're gonna spend 3 nights a little south of Pittsburgh.
I get 4. I get 4 because I drink 1 drink at
chili.
Hey, I got 1 drink. But he's eating an apple.
That's not an apple.
Just don't scare him.
Then what is it?
He's eating it looks like a
Is it a French fry?
it looks like a French fry. Hey buddy, what are you about to do?
I don't know.
I don't know.
You're about to
Tie-dye.
tie-dye some
You're gonna
shirts.
tie-dye your own shirt.
Good.
Good. Okay, get in.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
A few rubber bands. Does a swirl sound good to you?
Does the swirl sound
Swirl
good?
one sound good? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the middle of the shirt and then we're gonna pinch it and then twist. And then we're gonna take rubber bands and put it all together.
What other color might you want to make?
He likes to burn them.
He likes to put it on fire and then we
Yeah.
blow it out. Just put it in between.
Some people like them burnt, some people don't. Oh, is it?
Take this. Hurry. They're coming right this way.
Good job, guys. Yeah, that was a nice break.
Wait, Arlo. Okay, so we are leaving Virginia, heading to Pennsylvania, and this site is going to be too difficult to pull out of, so we are currently backing up and then going to go down this road. It just seems like a better path. Oh, you are going to cut? Oh, okay. Keep going. You are way good back here. Good job, babe. Keep her coming. All right, you good? All right, let's go. Y'all ready to go to Pennsylvania? Ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Say bye, Virginia.
Bye, Virginia.